Samsung Galaxy A22. The 5G variant of the Samsung Galaxy A22 is loaded with the latest Android V11 and has a better camera configuration on the back. The 4GB RAM and the original international chipset inside the smartphone ensures a seamless user-end experience. This device comes with a large battery that allows for long-term use. Display and camera. The Samsung Galaxy A22 5G comes with a 6.4-inch bezel-less display. The smartphone's Super AMOLED screen offers a pixel density of 411 ppi and a screen resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The back of the smartphone has a triple camera configuration, which includes a 48MP primary camera, a 5MP ultra-wide-angle shooter, and a 2MP macro lens. Some of the features provided by the back camera include autofocus, LED flash, digital zoom, HDR mode, exposure compensation, face detection, and ISO control. The 13MP primary camera on the front captures stunning selfies. Configuration and battery. The Samsung Galaxy A22 5G MediaTek Dimension 700MT6833 chipset comes with 4GB of RAM, which ensures a seamless gaming experience. The smartphone is equipped with an octa-core, dual-core, 2.2 GHz, Cortex A76 and hexa-core, 2 GHz, Cortex A55 processor, and Mali-G57MC2 GPU ensures log-free operating time. The smartphone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery that is non-removable and compatible with a 15W fast charging system. Storage and connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy A22 5G comes with 64GB of internal storage space, which can be expanded up to 512GB. In addition to the 5G and 4G Vault network, the smartphone also offers connectivity options such as mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C charging, AGPS, and Bluetooth V5.0.